Oregon seafood! We eat Oregon seafood at home and in school.
Oregon's fishing families catch seafood for everyone to enjoy.
There are lots of kinds of
Oregon seafood
just below the surface of the sea.
Dungeness crab, pink shrimp, salmon, sole, rockfish, and albacore tuna. You can get Oregon seafood fresh, frozen, or canned right off the dock or in a grocery store. Oregon seafood is delicious, nutritious, and easy to prepare. An all-time classic is canned tuna. And this day, the Mediterranean tuna salad is on the menu. Place tuna in a bowl. Break apart the chunks of tuna. Mix in grated carrots, chopped cucumbers, frozen peas, and salad dressing. You can serve it on crackers, lettuce leaves, or make sandwiches with whole wheat pocket bread. The perfect seafood mixture, packed with protein and healthy nutrients.
Oregon seafood!
Caught by Oregon fishing families. To learn more about Oregon seafood, search Oregon Harvest for Schools.